everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking you through the process of how I wash my makeup brushes and this beauty blender sponge because it's really dirty. You see that? So as I have said before, I do have acne prone skin, so I really try to keep my brushes as clean as possible because I do not need any more breakouts on my face. So if you would like to see how and what I use to clean my brushes in my beauty blender, just keep watching. Okay, so right now we are in my kitchen. So what I did is I boiled some water because I put the water in this bowl with my beauty blender, and I got this bowl at Walmart, so it's like $1. So what I do first is put the soap in there. This is the 𝐏𝐑𝐎𝐃 soap. It's unscented. I usually get this big bottle. You see this big old bottle? I got it at Target, but you could also get it at Ulta. But I mean, Target is closer, so I got it at Target. But what I do, I just refill this one, and I just keep this one in my bathroom. So what I do is just add a little bit of soap, put the beauty blender in there, and then just put some water in there. And I just let it sit there for I let it sit there for until it completely cools down, because I have to reach in there for it and it's hot. So yeah, once it's cooled down, I'll go ahead and show you how I wash it in the bathroom. Okay, so now we're in my bathroom and we're gonna continue. This is pretty cooled down for the most part. So what I do is put it under the running water. Carefully, because it might still be hot. So all you do is rinse it. Sometimes I feel like the hot water just makes it a lot easier to clean up. And I just add some soap. So now I put it in this little thing to dry. This I got it at the Shop Miss A website. I got a few of them. I have like 4 of them, but for me it works really good to dry them. So all I do is put them just slightly in there, and it'll just dry, and it'll stay there. See? Let me put it over here so you can see. I'll just leave it like that, and it'll dry. Okay, so now I do have a towel right here because we're gonna be using this to finish popping my brushes, and I'm also gonna use this. This is where I put my brushes to dry, so they hang upside down. So you'll see, I'll show you. But I got this thing at Amazon. Actually, I have 2 of them. So, and I believe they still sell them. I got it like a few years back, and I believe it's just I believe they still sell them, so I'll link it down for you guys. It might be slightly different because I've had a few years with these, so but they still have it. So we're gonna start. Oh, and this one too. I think I got this one at Amazon. I'm really not sure if that's where I got it, but I did look them up on Amazon and they have the exact same one, so I think I got it there. Anyways, I use that for the brushes. So all I do is add some of my soap here because I will be dipping the brushes in here. And I add a little bit of water. So I will start with this one. So now you see this thing. What I do here is you go from the bottom up. You push it, you push the handle through, and there it is. See? This is how it looks. So all of them are gonna be like that. They have different sizes, so I put the little ones on these right here. So there it is. They just stay like this overnight and they dry. So we're gonna keep going. I first start with the bigger ones and then I do the smaller ones, so we're just gonna keep doing this so you can see. So we're done with the big brushes, and I'm gonna start with the little ones, but I'm gonna repeat the same steps because I want clean water. So these are done, the bigger ones. So I did use the bigger holes for the bigger ones because the handles are thicker, obviously. And now I will start with some of the smaller ones. See how dirty these are? This one's pink, so yeah, I usually have a hard time with those, but hopefully it comes out really, really good. Okay, start with the pink one. Do the same thing. So this is the one that had the pink. See? It's all gone. All the pink is gone. So, yeah. Making sure it has no soap in there. So you see, these would go in the little small ones, like right here. There you go. See? The little small ones. Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna keep going. So let me grab a few other ones. Since these are very, very small, you see how small these are? They're the ones I use like for my eyebrows and stuff. So since these are really small, what I do is I grab two of them, if I have two like this, and I stick them in one of the compartments together. So they pretty much fit. Sometimes I even fit three of them. So you see, they fit in the same little slot. So this is it. This is all I do for my brushes. This is how I clean them. I will be linking down everything down below. I will link down the soap, the little container that holds my beauty blender. So I'll link down below what I can, but I'm still able to find, because like I said, these I did purchase them a few years ago. I've had them for a few years. And this thing also, I've had it for a few years. But I like that it sticks. Just look, it sticks to the sink, so it doesn't really move once you put it on there. So if you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you have any questions of any of the products I use. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.